stars are cold, lies a passage through the mountains, a story untold, built by hands that dream so high, through the granite heart where the eagles fly. Moffat tunnel, through the dark we go, under the peaks where the wild rivers flow, a gateway carved by sweat and steel. You carry the dreams that the rails reveal. 6 miles long through the shadow deep, where the echoes of the hammer still seem to leap. In winter's frost and summer's sun, the Moffat stands as a battle won. Moffat tunnel, through the dark we go, under the peaks where the wild rivers flow, gateway carved by sweat and steel. You carry the dreams that the rails reveal. From Denver to the western shore, a path for the freight and the traveler's lore. Through the divide we roll with pride. Moffat tunnel, you're our guiding light. Steam and diesel, they've all passed through, with the snowbound train and the midnight crew. A marvel of grit, a tale so true. The Moffat tunnel, we're bound to you.